Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here making some pan-seared salmon for dinner tonight, but I just decided to share it with you guys real quick. It's a fast one I'm doing, so I want to share it with you guys. I'm just gonna jump right in and get it started. So first thing first guys, I got some carrots here, julienne, and I got some zucchini. I'm gonna julienne as well. These gonna be my topping, all right? And it's gonna be a spinach salad. um, I will put a little bit of romaine lettuce inside, mixing with the spinach, and some avocado, and the salmon will top that off. So I'm just gonna julienne some actually I got some water going right here. I'm just gonna blanch the carrots for like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. All right, in that boiling water right there. So while that's going, I'm just gonna cut these really thin slices. You guys can see that. Nice. Beautiful. All right, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna julienne these as well. Nice strips. All right, so I'm gonna get these julienne, and just gonna show you guys how I get these nice and crispy to top my salad. All right. Okay, right now we're gonna get this 4 pieces of salmon marinade, guys. I'm gonna use some olive oil right over my salmon right here. All right, that should be enough oil right there. And we're just gonna pan sear these, as I said. I have some Old Bay here, a teaspoon of Old Bay, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and I also have a teaspoon of jerk spice. That Grace jerk spice. Just want to show you guys the one that I use, this one right here. Give some nice flavor to the salmon. I'm just gonna drizzle this right over it. All right. Turn the flavor up, guys. Love salmon. Beautiful. And this is wild caught salmon, guys. Lots of flavor. Just want to rub the spices on there. Looking good. So right here, guys, we're gonna get the carrots going. I got the carrots right here. This is 2 small carrots I cut up anyway. You can use it whatever amount you wanna use for your salad. And that's just 1 zucchini I got right there. And I got a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder in here, a pinch of paprika and cayenne, and some black pepper. I'm gonna add this right into the flour right here. And I'm just using a cup of flour. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of mustard powder right inside the flour as well. And then with a teaspoon of salt. Should be good. Just gonna mix that up. Beautiful. This baby right there. Just a little bit of olive oil in this so the flour can stick. All right. All right, so we're gonna do, mix that right in, and then just add it right to the flour. Mix that right in. You're just gonna shake the excess flour off. Oil is getting hot. We're gonna drop these right inside of the oil. Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna drop these carrots right into the oil. Looking good. Right. These are nice and crispy right now. Just gonna pull these out, put them on some paper towel just to drain that. Beautiful. So guys, this is just a small amount. I didn't want to pull my fryer out just for this. So sometimes I'm lazy to get the fryer. But this works. Beautiful. So the zucchini, I'm gonna be the same way I did the carrots. Get these aside. And this is the zucchini I got right here. The seasoned flour. Just gonna drop these right now. Shake the excess flour off. Get them right inside. Beautiful. It's time to get out the zucchini. They're nice and crispy. These are beautiful. So right now I'm gonna get the salmon right inside this pot right here, nice and hot. Face down first. Turn it down on low. Just gonna get a nice char on the outside of it, and the skin side, a nice char on there as well. I leave the skin on it because I want to get the skin nice and crispy. after I flip it over. So it'll be good. So right here, guys, I got a nice bowl of spinach and romaine lettuce washed and cut up right here. And I also have some beautiful avocado, and I also have some cucumber already cut up. That's what's going to go in the salad. Nice char on the outside here, guys. Right now, guys, for the salad right here, I'm just going to toss some avocado inside. Beautiful. Some cucumber. It's going to be a few pieces of tomato as well. Some beautiful sweet tomatoes in there. And I'm just going to shake a little bit of black pepper over this salad right here. Some salt. What's going on this, guys? So olive oil. Use some olive oil over that. Top it off with some fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon in that. We're gonna get a beautiful piece of salmon right here. These are looking lovely. So what I'm gonna do with the salmon, guys, I'm just gonna get it and place it right on top of my salad like that. Guys, how better could you get it? Don't forget, next thing we're gonna use to top the salad is this beautiful carrot right here. Looking lovely. And then some nice crispy zucchini. These are like zucchini fries, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Lovely. Look at all the colors, guys. Beautiful salad right here. Alright. It's time to dig in that nice salad right there. So guys, take a look at this beautiful salad right here. Juicy piece of salmon sitting on top. All those nice crispy carrots, crispy zucchini sitting right there. Toppings for that salad. That's a beautiful salad there, guys. Just drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice. Can't get it healthier. And that's the healthy choice for today. Salmon is juicy. Nice sear in the top. Just want to say thanks for watching again, guys. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. If you're new watching the channel right now, don't forget to hit subscribe. Keep on sharing the videos. Hit the likes. Drop a comment. Let me know you guys like these salads. And I'll catch you in the next one.